sexual reproduction, that is gametogenal copulation, gamete copulation, gametogenal copulation, then somatic copulation and spermatization. These are the different sexual reproductions which are seen in the fungi. So in last lecture we learned these things. So now we will go for the spores which are produced in the fungi by sexual spores, means the spores formation inside the fungi. Those are sexual spores. These sexual spores are as follows: ascospores, zygospores, and basidospores. Oospores are the spores we will see in the sexual spores of fungi category. See the here ascospores. So you're getting or not? Please tell me. Ascospores. Ascospores means these are the spores produced in the fungi and seen in the ascus. That is a sac. Ascus means it is in sac. Ascus means a sac. The sac which consisting of spores, those are called as ascus spores. These ascus spores are usually more than or up to the 8 in number. It means that the spores which are packed in a sac, those are called as ascospores. Right? Ascus means it is a sac in which sexually reproduced spores are seen. That's what we will say ascospores. That's what we will say ascospores. Next one is zygospores. Zygospores, these are the spores which are thick wall. See the wall, there's a zygote formation. In sexual reproduction, there is a spore formation. There is a zygospores, we will say. These all are thick-walled, and the formation of a zygote or zygospore, it is possible when two sexually compatible hyphae are fuses together. Means this is the two hyphae, they are sexually compatible with each other, and formation of spores in opposite category are sexually fungi are fuses together and formation of a spore, that is a zygospore, right? Next one is basidospores. Basidospores, these are also a single cell. These are single cell spores and formed in a club-shaped structure. See here, basidium formation, and this basidium formation leads to formation of a basidospores in a club structure. Means they are club-shaped spores. We will see in a fungi, that is, those are called as basidospores. Means these are the single cell spore in the form of a club shape. These are the club shape structure of a basidium, we will call as a basidospore. Then next one is oospores. See, this is the oospores. These are also formed from sexual reproduction of a fungi. See here, if these are formed in the female, see this is the female structure of a fungi. When the fungi of opposite sex comes together and transferring of its genes or genetic matter and formation of a spores inside the female structure that is called as oospores, right? They are called as oospores. So these are the spores forms inside the fungi. Those are ascospores, zygospores, and basidospores and oospores. These are the types of importance of fungi. See, the fungi are important microorganism in this universe, which are uh, essential for the biodegradation of the organic matter. What so for these are important? These are important for biodegradation of an organism, and as well as they will bring the biodeterioration. Biodegradation and biodeteriorations of an organic matter can be possible or done by the fungi. So this is the importance of fungi. So always remember this one is biodegradation, and biodeteriorations can be achieved by the help of a fungi. That is biodegradation and biodeterioration is possible. As well as this one, the fungi are useful for industrial fermentation processes. See, fermentation processes can be achieved with the help of fungi. With the help of fungi, like see, alcohol formation or formation of a beverages, formation of a certain antibiotics, then formation of citric acid, like the industrially what we will ferment, the different required materials are fermented with the help of a fungi. Means how they are useful. See, these are useful fermentation processes. For example, we'll take a broad spectrum antibiotics or narrow spectrum antibiotics or certain antibiotics, vitamins are fermented, and to improving the yield of a ferment, we will use the fungi. For example, we'll take a penicillium notatum. It is used for the production of antibiotic. It is penicillin antibiotic, right? Then Aspergillus niger. Aspergillus niger is another one, a fungi. It is used for the production of citric acid. That is vitamin C, we will say. Vitamin C. Saccharomyces cerevisiae are used for alcohol production. Apart from that, see, these fungi are also we will use in food industry. Where we will use? We will use in food industry. Okay, we will use in food industry. See, these fungi are also used in reducing the toxic concentration. It means remediation can be achieved with the help of the fungi. So apart from that, fungi are also used in agricultural, horticulture, forestry. As a fungi we will use as a biofertilizer and pesticides. Biofertilizer and pesticides we will use for the for the for the agricultural purpose, horticultural purpose, and forestry purpose. We will use these fungi, right? That is for the preparing these slides for the fungi. So you can refer these books also and learn from this textbook also. Okay. In afternoon session.